Want to get more out of your forms? Let's talk about Insights, your all-in-one analytics dashboard inside 123FormBuilder that shows you how your forms are performing, where users drop off, and how to improve conversions. Let's dive in. To access the Insights section, head to the Results tab and click on Insights. Instantly, you'll see real-time stats like views, submissions, average time to complete, and even form abandonment, all in one place. We'll explore two major areas: Form Insights, where you'll find high-level metrics and behavioral trends, and Field Insights, for granular data on how each question performs. You can toggle between key metrics like views, which shows the total number of times your form was viewed, submissions, which tells you how many completed responses your form received, submission rate, which is calculated by dividing submissions by total views, average time to complete, which shows how long, on average, it takes a respondent to complete your form. Users shows the number of people who interacted with at least one field in your form. And abandons, which shows how many users started filling out the form but did not submit it. The devices card shows if submissions come from desktop, mobile, or tablet. If one device underperforms, check the form layout for that view. The Referrer Insights card shows how visitors are reaching your form, whether it's embedded on a website, shared on social media, or emailed directly. Use this to focus on your most effective channels. Location Insights shows you which countries are generating traffic and submissions. Great for geo-targeted campaigns or spotting localization issues. Once you understand the big picture, go granular with Field Insights. This section helps you optimize each individual question. Field Name and Views shows which fields were viewed or interacted with the most. It helps you understand the natural flow of user attention. Time on field shows how much time users spent on each question. Longer times might indicate complexity or confusion. Drop-off rates indicates where users are leaving the form. You'll know exactly which field is causing friction and how to fix it. And here's the cherry on top. Every week, 123FormBuilder sends you a performance summary email. You'll see your top performing forms with metrics like views, submissions, and submission rates, all delivered straight to your inbox. Ready to boost your completion rates? Start analyzing smarter with 123FormBuilder today. Thanks for watching. Happy form building.